explore Blue 2020 deals in this video and how you can get yours. Now, let's talk about Bluehost web hosting service. Do you know that Bluehost is the first of about 3 hosting companies to receive official recognition by WordPress? When it comes to hosting services, Bluehost falls within the top 10 most reliable hosting companies you could choose. And it shows in their excellent service delivery, well-structured web hosting packages, and responsive customer support team. Therefore, for a limited time offer, you can get up to a 3 years hosting contract only on your first term of purchase. And what you get to enjoy is reliable and speedy hosting servers with 99.97% uptime, free SSL certificates, cPanel access for installing Joomla, WordPress, Drupal in fewer clicks, and a free domain name in your first year. Now, let's take a look at Bluehost discount coupon deals for up to 65% off and how you can get your share. Remember to click the link located in the description box below to get access to the Bluehost discount coupon now. So here's how the discount works. Bluehost has made the process simpler than before. Therefore, you don't need any discount code or anything, so you just click and select your preferred package to get started. In the WordPress hosting plan, we have basic hosting, which is 35% off, at $2.95 from $7.99 per month. You got Plus hosting at 45% off, $5.45 from $10.99 per month. Then there's Choice Plus, 45% off, so it's now $5.45 from $14.99 per month. Also, take note that first-time customers enjoy 1 free domain registration in the first year only. This is how Bluehost helps startups and existing businesses get going online. Now we have the WordPress Pro managed hosting. The WordPress Pro build is 31% off. Now at $19.95, coming down from $29.99 per month. The WordPress Pro Grow package is 25% off. Now at $29.95 per month, down from $39.99 per month. The WordPress Pro Scale package is 17% off, now at $49.95, down from $59.99 per month. Then we have the Bluehost WooCommerce hosting packages. The starter pack is 50% off, now at $6.95, down from $13.99 per month. We got the Plus pack too, is 50% off, so that's at $8.95, down from $17.99 per month. And the Pro pack, 55% off, which is $12.95, down from $31.99 per month. We have some exclusive hosting discounts as well here. The Bluehost shared hosting discounts is 35% off. That's $2.75, down from $7.99 per month. The VPN hosting discount is 36% off, so that's $18.99, down from $29.99 per month. The dedicated hosting server upgrade is 40% off, that's $79.99, down from $119.99 per month. Take note that the discount only works for your first invoice. Afterward, the hosting plan returns to the original cost. But you can get up to 65% discounts when you order as much as 24 to 36 months in subscription. So you can enjoy any of the Bluehost packages by clicking the link below in the video's description. You can also click the pinned comment and head to the Bluehost site now. We have links in all those different spots. Other features with your hosting purchase include free daily backups for 1 month, free cPanel access and easy installation tools, free SSD on shared and cloud hosting, and a free setup call, as well as Office 365 mailbox free for 1 month. So, what else should you take note of when ordering a domain and hosting services? Are there hidden charges? You get 1 free domain only for the first year, saving you $11.99. Bluehost, however, offers several TDL options from $4.99 up to $16.99 per TDL per year. Once you secure a domain name, your data becomes available in the public Whois directory. But you can purchase Bluehost domain privacy and protection at 99 cents per month and $12 per year to keep details private and increase your security. There's also a special offer from Bluehost. Instead of 30 days, Bluehost now offers a unique 60-day money-back guarantee when you order now. It's a game of winner takes it all, as you can get a refund within 60 days if dissatisfied with Bluehost's services. So what are you waiting for? You can place an order now to enjoy Bluehost web services below while the offer lasts. This 2020 Bluehost discount video is an honest and non-sponsored review.